How did a working-class kid from Birmingham become the legendary Prince of Darkness? From his electrifying rise with Black Sabbath to his signature Gothic style, Ozzy Osbourne, at 76, still lives life on his own terms. Stick around as we uncover the wild, iconic journey of this rock legend. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Rising from the working-class streets of Birmingham, England, John Michael Ozzy Osbourne carved his way into rock history with sheer grit and an unmistakable voice. His journey began in the late 1960s when he joined forces with guitarist Tony Iommi, bassist Geezer Butler, and drummer Bill Ward to form Earth, which soon evolved into Black Sabbath, birthing an entirely new genre, heavy metal. With their groundbreaking self-titled debut album in 1970, Black Sabbath's doom-laden riffs and Ozzy's haunting vocals laid the foundation for heavy music, influencing generations of artists from Metallica to Slipknot. Ozzy remained the band's frontman until 1979, when he was fired due to substance abuse issues. But his departure marked the beginning of an even more legendary solo career. Launching with Blizzard of Oz in 1980, featuring hits like Crazy Train and Mr. Crowley, he cemented his place as the Prince of Darkness. Over the decades, Ozzy has fronted Black Sabbath, his solo band, and briefly reunited with Sabbath in the 2010s, solidifying his status as one of the most enduring figures in rock history. His influence extends far beyond his music. A pioneer in the dark, theatrical style of heavy metal, he inspired countless musicians in metal, rock, and even pop culture. A recipient of multiple Grammy Awards, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame with Black Sabbath in 2006 and received the Global Icon Award at the MTV Europe Music Awards. His solo career has sold over 100 million records, and in 2023 he won his first Grammy as a solo artist. Ozzy's wealth stems from album sales, merchandise, touring, and reality television. His estimated net worth surpasses $220 million, accumulated through decades of music, endorsements, and his family's reality show, The Osbournes. When it comes to luxury, Ozzy spares no expense. His real estate portfolio boasts lavish homes in Los Angeles, England, and beyond. The Osbourne Mansion in Beverly Hills, often featured in The Osbournes, showcases grandeur with state-of-the-art amenities, Gothic decor, and a mix of eerie and elegant aesthetics that reflect his larger-than-life persona. His real estate acquisitions also include a sprawling estate in Buckinghamshire, England, which he and Sharon recently confirmed would be their permanent residence. The couple announced their move back to England in 2022, citing Ozzy's declining health and a desire to return to his roots. Ozzy's lifestyle is as extravagant as his music. His car collection includes a Rolls-Royce Phantom, Ferrari 4 Fiat Italia, and Audi R8, among other high-end rides. He has never shied away from indulgent purchases, whether it be rare memorabilia, custom Gothic jewelry, or designer outfits. Known for his signature black wardrobe, often featuring leather, long coats, and dark sunglasses, Ozzy's Gothic aesthetic is inseparable from his identity. His love for jewelry is just as intense, with fans showering him with custom skull rings, crosses, and chains that he treasures deeply. In his personal life, Ozzy's relationships have been tumultuous yet defining. He was first married to Thelma Riley in the early 70s, with whom he had 2 children, Jessica and Louis, and also adopted her son Elliot. However, his struggles with addiction contributed to the collapse of the marriage. In 1982, he married Sharon Arden, daughter of his former manager Don Arden, and together they built an empire. Their marriage, filled with highs and lows, including Ozzy's past infidelities and substance issues, has endured for over 4 decades. Together, they have 3 children, Amy, Kelly, and Jack, all of whom have navigated the entertainment industry in their own ways. Now 75 years old, Ozzy's health has become a major concern. Over the years, he has battled Parkinson's disease, multiple surgeries, and other ailments, but his resilience remains remarkable. He continues to make public appearances, often reminiscing about his career in interviews with the BBC, Rolling Stone, and Good Morning Britain. Despite retiring from touring in 2023, he remains a revered figure in rock history, a living legend whose impact will outlive him. Ozzy Osbourne's story is one of rebellion, reinvention, and survival. From a struggling working-class kid to the undisputed Prince of Darkness, his journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether through his music, his eccentric persona, or his resilience in the face of adversity, Ozzy continues to captivate fans worldwide. For those who admire him, his legacy is a testament to staying true to oneself, pushing boundaries, and never backing down from a challenge. As Ozzy himself might say, "I am Iron Man." Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.